Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run Odoo an Odoo server on Windows. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this guide because I'm having some difficulties myself, so this should explain everything and all the prerequisites you need to actually run Odoo. So first, let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to download the Odoo source code. You can just do it through your command prompt, or you can download it from the Git repository yourself. You can just download the archive and extract it, or you can use Git to clone the repository. So you can just use the git clone command to get the source code for the version you want to use. Then you're going to need to install Python. You can just go over to the official Python site, just go to the downloads and go and find the version that you want. It's at least 3.7 or a newer version. So choose the version that best supports your current build of Odoo. So just get that, install it through the wizard, and that should be it. Then you can just go into your command prompt, type in Python --version, and it should tell you the version if it's been installed successfully. After that, you just need to install PostgreSQL. So you need 12 or a newer version. So just visit the official website, go into the download section and download the installer. You'll be redirected to the DB website, and here you need to find the version that you need, which works best with your install or your source code of Odoo. So in this case, as you can see, it's 12 or newer. In this case, they're using 12.14. You can use whichever one you want. So just choose that for your Windows installation. And yeah, you should be using 64-bit Windows with at least 4 gigabytes of RAM as far as I'm aware, so just make sure you have that as well. If you don't, it might work, but 4 gigabytes of RAM is sort of the minimum which you should use, so everything can run smoothly with 100% guarantee. Then once you install that, you just need to set it up. You can install all the other components, choose whichever data directory you want, set up a password, a port, and everything. Then everything, once you've done that and installed everything, you can just go to the next step. And once that's installed, you can add the PostgreSQL path in environment variables, which looks something like this. So just keep that in mind. And then you just need to create a new user. So just open up PostgreSQL, go to pgadmin, and then just set a new master password, which you will need. Then enter that password to connect to the server, double click the server to establish a connection, and then go to toolbar, object create, and login / group roles. Then provide the username, which should be Odoo, and that should be it. You don't need to use comments, and this should be in the role name field, so use that. And then set up the password as well. And then you can go to the privileges tab, toggle can login and create database, set them to true, and then click the save button, and that should be it. Then you need to install some independent libraries, which you can do with pip install, such as setup tools wheel, then our requirements.txt, and then you should download and install wkhtml to PDF. And once you install that through a simple executable wizard, you should be good to go. Then you just need to configure your Odoo and start the server. And to do that, you just need to open up the command prompt, visit the Odoo directory, locate the bin file, then run this command right over here. And here, db user, which is this here, is the newly created database user, which you've set as Odoo. And db password is the password that you've set. And then just run it like that. Go to the browser and access the bar, and then just enter localhost 1869 or 96. I'm pretty sure this is a mistake because I do remember 96 being the last 2 digits, not 69, but it might be 69. I might be mistaken. And then just enter your login definition with your email and password. Both should be admin in this case, and then just hit login, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.